Hi, I'm Tim Klink with MasterTech, America's #1 bumper-to-bumper service, collision, and renovation center here in Elkhart, Indiana. And here we've got a customer that brought in this coach having never-ending problems with the new battery system that they brought in. I'm not going to say which brand name, but it's actually got an internal BMS in each one of the batteries. There is 600 amp hours of batteries in it, which you all think is a lot. The problem with it is this is a Chinese-made battery. It's got Chinese cells in it. It's got an internal BMS system. Therefore, every single battery is limited to, 100 to 200 amps. When you put these in parallel, you are actually backfeeding the BMS in the case that one BMS actually shuts off. The other problem with this installation is it was never set up to charge going down the road. So going down the road, I know it's stupid, but they physically did not connect it up because they did not have the knowledge of combining a current alternator in a recreational vehicle, truck, camper, whatever, to charge a lithium battery system. So in discussing all of this, this customer right now can make it about 10 hours on 600 amp hours, which is, you think is bad, but or you think that is good, but it is not. It is actually pretty bad performance. And the main reason why is every single battery being connected in parallel is feeding the next battery, the next battery, the next battery. So when you charge the first battery from your inverter system, it is like a parasitic draw from one battery to another to another. So the first battery gets the majority of all the charges until the BMS shuts off, and then it goes to the next one, and then it goes to the next one, and then it goes to the next one. With our battery system from Lithionics, it is a processor-controlled single module or dual module system, which has actually got a processor in each module, which tells your true state of charge to every single cell within the battery. Therefore, whether you're charging or whether you're drawing on that battery, it picks and chooses the correct cell to draw from. That's why we can get 20, 30, 40 hours off of battery systems, because we know how to integrate coaches correctly. We are MasterTech, America's #1 bumper-to-bumper service, collision, renovation center here in Elkhart, Indiana.